Enjoy immersive sound while staying aware of your surroundings with the innovative TOZO Open EarRing Earbuds and their comfortable open-ear ring design. Lightweight and stylish, they deliver clear audio and all-day comfort for music, calls, and daily activities. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the TOZO Open EarRing Earbuds, charging cable, and user manual. Product overview. How to wear. Ensure the speaker hole is facing into the ear. The speaker hole facing outward is not the correct way to wear the earbuds. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. How to pair. Download the TOZO app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. It allows you to manage settings, customize controls, adjust EQ, and update firmware. Using the app enhances your experience and gives you greater control over your TOZO earbuds. First, open your phone's settings and turn on Bluetooth so it can search for nearby devices. Make sure it's not connected to any other audio device. Next, open the TOZO Open EarRing Earbuds charging case, then press and hold the pairing button until the LED blinks white. This makes the earbuds discoverable. On your phone, find TOZO Open EarRing Earbuds in the Bluetooth list and tap to connect. If prompted, just confirm by tapping Pair or OK, and you're ready to enjoy your earbuds. Open the app and connect your earbuds, or they'll connect automatically if the case is open. You can view battery levels, browse tabs like Home, AI, Community, and Settings, and adjust your equalizer. Try recommended or user-created EQs including Perfection, Best Overall, Bass and Voice, Bassy, and Crispy for an optimal sound experience. Smart features? The open ear ring design rests comfortably around your ear instead of sitting inside the ear canal. This allows you to enjoy audio while still staying aware of your surroundings. The lightweight design ensures the earbuds feel barely noticeable during long listening sessions. Their ergonomic shape provides a secure and comfortable fit for everyday use. Enjoy extended use with up to 40 hours of battery life, letting you go through the day without frequent charging. The long-lasting battery keeps your music, calls, and podcasts running seamlessly. Personalize your sound with the custom EQ feature in the app, adjusting bass, mids, and treble to match your listening preference. The TOZO app makes it easy to fine-tune audio for every song or podcast. With IPX5 water resistance, these earbuds can handle sweat and light rain, making them perfect for workouts and outdoor activities. They stay protected, so you can keep moving without worry. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the TOZO Open EarRing Earbuds from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your TOZO Open EarRing Earbuds. See you in the next one.